Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am absolutely loving all of the recipe requests that you guys are sending through. One of the most common ones has been salad recipes. So today I'm going to show you my very favorite potato and kale salad. So let's get started. For this recipe we need 500 grams of boiled and peeled baby potatoes. You could use chapped potatoes or little red potatoes as well. We need 1 bunch of kale. You want to chop and shred these and remove the middle stem. The middle stem is quite bitter, so you don't want to include this in the salad. We also need 1/4 cup of chopped fresh dill. For the dressing, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of wholegrain mustard, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, the zest of 1 whole lime, a little bit of salt, I've used 1/4 teaspoon, 1 clove of garlic minced, 1/4 teaspoon of cracked pepper, and 1/4 cup of olive oil. Now, I promised a really easy recipe. All you need to do is mix together the olive oil with the mustard in a really big bowl. Get this to a smooth consistency before adding in the lime juice, followed by the lime zest. Once this is smooth, add in the clove of garlic and mix it through. If you're not a fan of raw garlic, feel free to cook this in some oil for about 30 seconds to a minute and then add it to the dressing. Now add in your salt and pepper. Do a taste test here to adjust the salt and pepper per your taste, and like I said before, feel free to add in some chili flakes if you like a little bit of a kick. Give the dressing a really good mix. You want to make sure that the whole grain mustard has completely mixed through with the oil. You should get a really smooth paste in the end. Now it's time to add the kale. I typically add a little bit of the kale first, mix it through the dressing, and then add the rest in. Be gentle with it and be patient. The kale is such a robust vegetable that it does take some time to soften down. I typically make this salad about half an hour before serving so that the kale leaves can break down a little bit and become soft and really easy to eat. Now add in all the dill and mix it through. The dill adds a really nice, fresh, almost peppery note to the entire salad and complements the bitterness of the kale perfectly. My top tip here is to actually chop the dill quite finely and not have any of the stalk in the salad. Dill itself is a really strong herb, and I find that people don't quite enjoy having large mouthfuls of it. Now it's time to add the potatoes. My potatoes have just been cut into little quarters. You can make these smaller if you want. I like having them a little bit chunky just so you can see them through the salad. And that's the salad done. It's super easy, so simple, and so delicious. Personally, I love pairing the salad with heartier mains. The freshness of the lime and dill really cuts through the pungent bitterness of the kale, and that's what makes it so delicious. The beauty of the salad lies in the dressing. It's easy, simple, and super tasty. You could use it in so many different recipes. Remember to keep the salad aside for at least half an hour before serving, so go ahead and wrap this up in some cling film or saran wrap. Alternatively, you could leave this under a tea towel. When you're ready to serve, just give it a quick toss through. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you want to see more salad recipes, let me know in the comments below. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.